Monday, July 23rd at 5:30 p.m., I will be presenting at the Traders Expo in Chicago. Come spend an evening with us if you're around and in the area. The title of my presentation is 8 Lessons from a Proprietary Trading Desk, Success Stories of How and Why These Traders Consistently Make Money. I'm going to share how and why these top traders at the firm have become 7-figure traders. We're going to share the best practices, setups, trading setups, trading techniques, trader attributes, and more with this presentation. We're going to review trading setups that our top traders are using in recent market conditions to succeed. Everyone loves trading setups that are working right now. What I love most during these presentations is to answer questions for those who attend during my presentation. And we'll leave plenty of time for that. And I'm happy to stick around and answer your questions one-on-one after the presentation and get to anyone who has a question and stay there until we answer all of them. So please see this link below to sign up for free to the Traders Expo in Chicago. I look forward to seeing you soon and trade well.